threw my gun.
Yeah. Oh, I think I know why. Do you remember that guy who was here that we killed? I think he's a worker.
Yeah, I remember.
So we better
He's
run.
a worker.
Because I think this
What's
this
down there?
legal. Sewer.
No,
Acid.
no, I think you put a thing in
Let's go
there
through
and
the
then you
elevator.
put Docky's up at the top because look, it looks like it has more.
How do you know that?
Yeah, how do you know that?
Look at the extra
Oh wait, because it has
side.
the ducky thing on it.
Oh, we should do that tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. Let's go through the elevator.
Or let's just get out of here. I'm getting scared.
Yeah.
Guys! Alright guys,
Whoa.
come
Oh,
on.
shotgun, yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Do we know where this elevator leads?
I don't know. Let's find out.